till now are clear. Moving on to our next concept, which is average speed if equal distances are travelled with two different speeds. Let us look at this formula, which we all might have studied. Average speed is equal to distance upon time. With this, we also made one more formula, which was time is equal to distance upon average speed. Now, let us see this first. From point A to point B, a vehicle travelled in the speed of S1. Okay? Now, while coming back from B to A, the vehicle travelled in a speed of S2. Therefore, we can say that average speed will be equal to distance. If we take the whole distance to be d, then our total distance travelled will be 2d upon time. We have to add the time of going from A to B and also from B to A. Therefore, the time to travel from A to B will be distance upon speed, and our distance is d and speed is s1. Adding it with the time taken to come from B to A, our distance will be d again, but our speed changes to s2 this time. On simplifying this equation, we will get 2d upon s2d plus s1d upon s1 s2, which gives us 2d upon d s2 plus s1 upon s1 s2. Therefore, dd got cancelled and we are left with 2 s1 s2 upon s2 plus s1. Therefore, our average speed when the car travels equal distance but at two different speeds is this. Very easy formula. Similarly, when three cars are traveling the same distance but in different speeds, then our average speed will become 3 s1 s2 s3 upon s1 s2 plus s2 s3 plus s1 s3. I hope this concept is clear. Let us now look at an example to understand this in a better way. The question on your screen says, find the average speed of a car which goes from Delhi to Panipat at a speed of 60 km per hour and returns at a speed of 90 km per hour. Now, let us solve this question. To solve it, first I have made a diagrammatic representation of this question to make things clear. The question tells us that the car moves from Delhi to Panipat at a speed of 60 km per hour, and while coming back, it comes back at a speed of 90 km per hour. Now, using our formula, which was average speed is equal to 2s1 s2 upon s1 plus s2. This gives us 2 into 60 into 90 upon 60 plus 90, which gives us the answer as 72 km per hour. Hence, the average speed of this car who travels 60 km per hour while traveling from Delhi to Panipat and follows a speed of 90 km per hour while coming back from Panipat to Delhi will be 72 km per hour. I hope this was clear.